Welcome back everyone. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can get your work hats looking clean by using Super Clean. So let's go ahead, I'll show you how we do it and how you can get yours looking better. Alright everyone, we will be using the Super Clean spray bottle. It has no bleach in it, that's why we're able to use it on these hats today. Also, we are outside. Super Clean is biodegradable, so that's why we're doing it out here. We've used it on our mowers and everything, and it's never hurt our lawn. So that is perfect while we're outside. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Alright, so we have our hose, our Super Clean, and our hat. We're going to bring it down to the grass and wash it there. Okay, so I first do want to mention that before you start, do a little spot test, and I would recommend doing it on the inside of the hat just to make sure nothing happens, and if something did happen, it'd be in the inside so it wouldn't really ruin the hat. I'm not going to test them right now because I trust it. We've done it on our other hats plenty of times, so I don't really feel a need to. So let's go ahead. First, I'm going to take the hose and I'm going to go ahead and wet these hats down. Okay, and we've also had a lot of questions if this will change the shape of it, and that's why people don't wash their hats. But no, it won't change it as long as you don't put it in the heat or anything like that. Don't stick it in the washing machine. Do it by hand, and it should be fine. Alright, so the next step is that we are going to spray this directly onto the hat, but they do not recommend having this touch your skin because it can cause some irritation. So you're going to want to grab some rubber gloves and put those on before. There is a spray option and a stream option. You're gonna go ahead and want to put it on spray. And then just spray it all over it. And then just start rubbing it into the hat, getting all of the dirt and stains in it. And then occasionally take your hose and wet it down a little bit, continuing to rub the Super Clean into the hat. And you can always spray some more if needed. Okay, so when you get into the inside of the hat, there is this little flap. Go ahead and pull that out, and then what I do is I just spray it onto it. And then there's a lot of dirt right here, so just keep scrubbing that in. gonna do the back, this mesh part. If your hat doesn't have mesh, it's just like the front part, but this one, sometimes it'll have stains on it like this white one. So what you're gonna do is just scrub at those seams. It should come off. Sometimes it will leave a stain if the dirt or whatever was on there for too long, but just spray it on here and then just scrub into it, and you'll see, and sometimes you'll start seeing the dirt and stuff lift off of it. And then also the seam right here where the little button part is, just scrub away at that. And then just give it a good rinse with your water. Make sure you don't leave any leftover Super Clean in there so it won't hurt your hat. I'm not sure if it would. We haven't had any problems with that, so you should be good as long as you can't see it. And then if you scrub it, if there's no more bubbles, you're probably good. Do not dry this in the dryer or anything like that. Just air dry it. Go ahead, let the water soak out of it, and then just set it on your table or on a hanger and hang it, and it should be dry the next day you come back to it. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish up those hats, and we will come back to this tomorrow and see how it turned out. So I got all these hats washed, but one thing I did want to mention is if you're going inside and doing this at the sink, make sure you're using cold water. They do recommend that you use cold water when using this. And then also, if you have any hats that have patches or leather patches, try to stay away from using it on there. It can probably ruin it, so try avoiding that. But right now we're gonna go ahead and hang these up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Alright everyone, we are back. It is the next day. These hats are dry, but as you can tell, they do look super clean. So thankfully, Super Clean was able to get the dirt and sweat out of these hats. So hopefully this video helps you guys. We will leave Super Clean's information down below, so go check them out. But thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.